हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं भी बहुत अच्छी हूँ। और बज रहे हैं सुबह के 7 और हम लोग हो चुके हैं रेडी जाने के लिए। कहाँ हम जा रहे हैं? संतला देवी मंदिर में। संतला देवी मंदिर यहाँ का बहुत प्रसिद्ध मंदिर है, जिसके बारे में मैं आपको आगे बताऊँगी। And let's go trek. People who are keen for trekking, people who are from New Zealand, you know, all of those ones. New Zealand, you have seen a lot of treks, but this one is Indian trek, you can say it, because you have to trek and climb the mountain, and the temple is located on top of the mountain. It's also a very powerful temple, and apart from that, you can see almost half of the Dehradun from there. I'll show you around, just keep watching. Guys, this is the way to Santla Devi Mandir. So it's quite a bit of a drive, but थोड़ा आर्मी एरिया से निकल के जाते हैं, so I could not make entire road video, but this is just the glimpse I'm just showing you. और ये हम पहुंच गए हैं संतला देवी की पार्किंग में। We are going to start a trek very soon, and I'll show you around. Let me show you how's the mountain and where the temple is situated. And this is the place. Basically, you have mountains all around, and you see this one, we have to climb all of these mountains, and it's not only one, I think it's 2 or 3 side by side. And then from here you can't see the temple, you have to go more up, which I'm gonna show you soon. So until then मैं ट्रैक स्टार्ट करने वाली हूँ। हमने यही सोचा है कि हम लोग वॉकिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे और उसके बाद प्रसाद वहीं से लेंगे, बिकॉज इट्स मोर ईजियर दैट वे। अदरवाइज यू नो you have to carry the prasad and then you walk upstairs. Garmi बहुत ज़्यादा है, it's full summers here, so of course it's very hot and warm. Even though it's still early in the morning, we were planning to come a little bit more earlier, but वही होता है ना, जितना भी जल्दी करो लेट हो ही जाता है. But still, I mean, we are not that late, so it's not too much of a rush at the moment. We still see quite a few cars and two-wheelers, but it's still fine. So let's go upstairs and let's see the temple. So guys, we have started the trek like this. A bit already tired. Well, थोड़ा steep है, इसीलिए थोड़ी मुश्किल होती है, but not that bad. I'll show you guys. Here you see we have to go all the way up until behind that mountain. ये देखिए, ये पूरा है ऊपर, आपको दिख रही होगी पगडंडी ऊपर सीधी जाती हुई. So guys, we are not even halfway yet, but You can see behind me the trail. You know, the best part is, the last time I visited, यहाँ पे shades थोड़े कम थे, but this time I see so many shades. तो मतलब summers में स्पेशली जब फैमिली या लोग आ रहे हो तो मतलब उन्हें बैठने के लिए, रेस्ट करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा बनाया हुआ है. तो अगर आप लोग भी देहरादून में रहते हैं, if you have not visited Santala Devi yet, do visit. It's a very wonderful place. I've been here. How many times I've been here? I think 3? 2, 3. Yeah, this is the 3rd time actually. Yeah. So it's nice. And you can see the view from halfway the mountain. All the greenery. Well, it's summers, so the rivers are dried up, the trees are a bit brown. Still nice breeze, weather is good, it's not too hot right now, so it's fine. Let's go upstairs. See, this is the shades I'm talking about. Every few distance there are shades like this, there are benches like this where you can sit. There are also little shades there, and then there are small places where you can get water as well, so you don't have to really carry heavy stuff while walking. I'm already catching my breath, especially जब से इंडिया आई हूँ, you know, rather than working out, I'm just eating, relaxing and enjoying. So let's go ahead and see what's there next. Well, finally we mark our halfway here. So you can see we came all the way from downstairs to here. This is our halfway stop. You'll find some little shops here. You know, अगर आपको चढ़ते चढ़ते थकान हो या फिर ऊपर से आते टाइम, ऊपर एक्चुअली शॉप्स है बहुत सारी, दिखाऊंगी मैं आपको. So here you have a little old well. Let me show you. Here you see we have a little old well here, and in a traditional way, if you want, you can just take out water from here. Hopefully there are water. Yeah, there's a bucket here. Just throw it in, get some water and drink it. And that's the whole spot. And then we still have half more way to go ahead, and then I'll show you the temple. Until then, stay with me, don't give up. I'm not giving up, so you too just stay with me, and let's go ahead and finish this trek. And here we are, almost arriving at the temple. और आपको दिख ही रहा होगा, कुछ लोग वापस आते हुए और कुछ लोग मंदिर जाते हुए. चलिए. और मंदिर के भजन के साथ विद ब्यूटीफुल सोलफुल सराउंडिंग्स हम लोगों ने थोड़ा शांति से पीसफुली बैठे वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा भगवान से प्रे किया, ढेर सारा प्रे किया एक्चुअली, थोड़ी बहुत फ़ोटोज़ क्लिक की एंड दैट वाज इट। और ये सब है मन्नत की चुन्नियाँ जो सबने बांधी है मन्नत मांग के। देखिए दर्शन तो बहुत अच्छे से हो गए। नाउ सिंस वी डिडंट हैड एनीथिंग टू ईट सिंस मॉर्निंग एंड इट वाज अ गुड हाइक, सो वी आर ऑल बोथ हंग्री। सो अब यहाँ पे छोटी छोटी शॉप्स है, आपको मेरे बैकग्राउंड में दिख रही होंगी, तो आपको प्रसाद वगैरह भी यहाँ से मिल जाएगा। तो अगर आपको प्रसाद नीचे से नहीं कैरी करके आना, दैट्स योर पर्सनल चॉइस, अदरवाइज़ आप यहाँ से भी ले सकते हो। मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। ये देखिए यहाँ पे प्रसाद की सारी शॉप्स है, सो यू कैन बाय ऑल द प्रसाद फ्रॉम हियर। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन फाइंड सम स्मॉल लिटिल कैफेज हियर, सम स्मॉल शॉप्स विद टॉयज, bottle of water, chips, all of those stuff. And then if you walk around a little more, you can find more shops to eat. So in case if anybody gets hungry, you know, small little fritters or even Maggie, you can even have bread pakora, Coke, noodles, anything you want. और ये हो गए हमारे पकोड़े, विच इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज फ्रिटर्स. It's all very locally traditionally made, so you can see all the chula here, so you know, no gas and stove, and all the chulas are here, so they burn the fire and then they make the chai, so they are making tea for us. And apart from that we got our fritters. So now I'm gonna enjoy my fritters here with some tea, and you enjoy watching my vlog and keep supporting me so I can make more nicer vlogs like this. Jai Mata Di, Jai Sai Ram. Thank you for watching. Bye.